high electricity bills, leaving Mark in Germany, walking on eggshells every day. Want to store power during off-peak hours? But he misses the perfect timing. In France, Jean installed rooftop solar years ago, but it can no longer meet his family's growing energy needs. Wants to upgrade and expand, he still worries about safety risks. Policies are changing. Lucas in the Netherlands is struggled with juggling bills and planning. Zendure SolarFlow 4000 Mix Pro changes everything. By day, it produces lots of energy and store it with huge capacity. By night, it releases power without holding back. Lights and TV, air conditioning, refrigerator and oven. Washing machine. Meeting Mark's everyday home energy needs. A vast choice of dynamic electricity tariffs, including ZenWave, of course. Automatically capturing the right moments for Mark. Built for more, built to last. New house, new member, and new demands. Single unit expansion, no problem at all. ZENKI Agent, your best energy manager. Handle in one hand. So Mark, simply enjoy the growing returns. ZenGuard. Multiple protections for home safety. Jean's big family, easily handled with PowerHub. One installation, whole house energy deployment. Easily compatible with connected home devices. Jean's worries are finally gone. Anytime, anywhere. Relax and enjoy your lifetime. Whole house energy, all in control. Returns keep growing quietly, even during a power outage. Lucas's home energy system keeps running steadily. No interruption at any moment. Truly save money. Truly stay safe. Truly worry less. SolarFlow 4000 Mix Pro. Mix is the real max. Zendure, the global pioneer of plug-in HEMS.